In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the checkout page in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, click on Settings, located at the bottom left corner of your screen. On the next screen, look to the left-hand side menu and select Checkout. Then, click on the Customize button that appears on your main screen. This will take you to the customization panel where you can start editing the checkout page. From the left side, the first option you'll see is to add your logo. Click on Add Image, then either import your logo by selecting Add Images or choose an existing image already uploaded to your Shopify media library. Once selected, click Done. After adding your logo, it will appear at the top of the checkout page. You can also adjust the logo's width and alignment, placing it left, center, or right. Behind the logo, you can add a background image. Click on Add Image again, select your desired image, and click Done to upload it. You'll then see it displayed behind your logo. Scroll down on the left side to add another background image behind the rest of the checkout section. Alternatively, you can choose a solid color if you don't want to use a custom background image. Adjust these colors to match your brand theme. Continue scrolling to find the section where you can change accent colors. As you adjust this, elements like the pricing and shipping method text boxes will change accordingly. You can also customize button colors, error message colors, and more from the same menu. Farther down, you'll find typography settings for headings and body text. Use the drop-down menu in each section to choose from various fonts, and the changes will instantly reflect on your page. Next, you'll see the checkout layout section. Here you can choose between a 3-page checkout for a step-by-step experience or a faster 1-page checkout, which is generally recommended. After finalizing all your design changes, click Save at the top right corner of the screen, and that is how you can edit the checkout page in Shopify.